Alright. Alex is our nature guide. Thanks, bro.
My bag's trip, but you can tell me.
Okay. I keep hearing sounds, but I don't see anything. Some cool flowers. Let's see if I can. Look at that. How nice. Okay. So this is where?
Bird Basin.
Bird Basin? We're in Bird Basin. I might put this on YouTube, I don't know.
On YouTube?
Yeah, if there's anything interesting in it. Or if people want to see what this place looks like.
You might see the Mothman.
The Mothman.
Trying to
That'd
get
be
some crawfish to come out of the damn water. I know there's a few in the roof. It's just hard to find them.
So this is how close we are to actually housing.
Yeah. Right now,
And-
we're like barely at the entrance of Bird Basin. It's a really big park.
And the little bit of what is left of Florida natural
It
landscape.
stretches from 157th Avenue all the way to Chrome, and from Bird Road all the way to 8th Street.
Yeah. Now Chrome is where you're gonna see the old asylum. Well, they tore it down, but the old asylum.
It's still part of Chrome where you hit the Miccosukee, the casino.
Yeah. You know what?